Hello, this is Mr. Kent of MrKent.com, and if I look older than I did in my last video, it's because I'm older, and that's okay because I'm still feeling young. Sometimes I feel old. Anyway, that's not the subject of this video. This video is coming about because I watched a video today of some very nice people, and it had a little bit of a disturbing smudge on the screen. And so I thought, you know, I know most everybody knows to keep your lens nice and clean, but some people like me forget things. So anyway, that's what this thing over here is for. This is a lens protector, and on my first Bebop it wouldn't stay on because that little thing there was worn out or something, and it was brand new. But anyway, so I had to be real careful. Now this one stays on, and that's nice, and it keeps it from getting scratched when it's transported and so forth. But the only other thing wrong is after I take that off, I have to be careful not to touch the lens because it puts fingerprints on it. And I've done that before, and I tried using a damp washcloth to get the smears off, and that just made more smears. And so what I do is I always carry a handkerchief, cotton handkerchief. And so I carry two. I carry one in my pocket to use once in a while, and then this one goes in my box with where I carry all my stuff, so that when I get ready to fly, I take this and very gently just wipe the screen off, just like this one right here, or the lens. So anyway, so I clean that off, and then I'm sure that I don't have the little smudge that you see in videos. It's kind of going up and down while the drone flies. And so I've kind of created a video on purpose to show what that looks like. And here's the thing, just in case you wonder why it's going up and down, the, excuse me, the Bebop has a like a 360 degree, what do they call it, fisheye, and the electronics inside the drone tell it when it's level like this, just look straight out. But if it goes like this, then take the focus of the camera and move it up. So and then if it goes like this, move the focus of the camera down, or the center point, and that's all done electronically without using a mechanical gimbal. And it's kind of a neat idea. So, but if you have a fingerprint on your screen, then when the drone starts off and starts moving, well, then it leans forward and that fingerprint goes up, and when it stops, it goes down. It's kind of like, let's say that I'm a Bebop. Well, first of all, let's take this off, and I hope this is not. I hope it's not permanent. And let's say that I've got a great big spot. I don't know if you can see that. Make it, there we go, that's better. Okay, I've got a great big spot on my lens, all right? And this is my glasses are the Bebop, and I'm the camera, okay? And I'm looking straight at you now. So when the Bebop starts out, it goes down like this, so that spot gets below my focus, and when it stops, it goes like this, and the spot, and I'm still looking this way, so the spot gets above my focus. So the spot goes up and down as the Bebop starts and stops. It comes off okay. So anyway, a lot of people know that, and some people don't. And so I just want to make sure that everybody understands you got to keep that lens clean, or you'll get a moving smudge like you see in the video. Now I made this smudge purposely with my graphic editor, and I didn't really fly around with a smudge on my lens. But anyway, so that's what it looks like when you leave a smudge on your lens. So be careful to keep your lens clean, and you can use lens cloths, you know, you get at the eyeglass place, or you can probably get them at any department store or drugstore. So carry one with you. Make sure your lens is clean before you take off, because it ruins a really nice video. I've seen some really beautiful videos that were just a little bit ruined because they had just jumping smudge on them. So I want to thank you for listening to this, and God bless you.